About a month ago, Oscar Piastri won the Chinese Grand Prix, and I made a poster for him to celebrate his win. This is how I did so in Adobe Photoshop. And in this video, I'll briefly explain the step-by-step process of how I did it. Next, it was time to create some separation between the cutout to put the bigger one in the background and the smaller one towards the foreground. And so to achieve this, I used a soft airbrush and then also began to add some highlights to the cutout using the exposure adjustment layer, increasing it, and then gradually adding highlights to places I deemed were necessary for the light source I was using. I also added a way brighter light source at the top left of the rectangle, cropped the rectangle to have a nice rounded edge on the right hand side, and also increase the highlights for certain cutouts, especially the one with the helmet. So it seemed more natural and the lighting all came together.
If you're enjoying this video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It's free and it really helps the channel to grow and for the content to be recommended to others who are interested in such things. Thank you.
The final part of this design was to add his racing number, number 81, as well as his name, the time he finished the race, and some other numbers which were significant to the race. And after all of this were done, the next part was to use the camera raw filter to finalize everything, as well as some little text attribution by me, which I put in the poster. And now my favorite part, which is the camera raw filter, where you change the entire look of your design, color grade it to how you want, increase the sharpness. So in this case, what I did was increase the contrast, exposure a little bit. I also increased things like texture clarity, as well as a little bit of noise reduction. And I also increased the reds, mid-tone, just so everything was more vivid and vibrant. And finally, um, I added a little bit of green, and that's the design. I hope you really like it. And if so, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more of these videos. Um, Thanks for watching.